This is Karen Chadwick out here at the Deep Creek Bridge off of 310. And you can see all this water lettuce and water hyacinth that's moved in here. This is what happens every summer. And they just sprayed the Kenwood and Orange Springs ramps. This obviously hasn't been sprayed, but when the wind blows a different direction, it'll blow it out of here and either go in the canal or move back into the other boat ramps. Putnam County could have two nice paddling trails here with Sweetwater Creek on the right, on the east, and Deep Creek on the left, but the dam ruined all that. This is close to the area where William Bartram came across and stopped and wrote about this area in the 1700s, how beautiful it was. But this is what it looks like now.